Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're having a beautiful week, a peaceful one. I would like to bring focus on when we feel anxious, we feel nervousness or tension, and we often feel as if we don't have control. We feel very doubtful, very fearful. We feel even frightened by the unknown. One good exercise that we can apply that works effectively if you apply long term is actually not avoiding to notice the, if you will, negative part of all this, of this dynamic that we have, the internal dynamic. Is important that we observe instead of avoiding, but at the same time, to balance it, you need to choose things. That's exercise. You choose things that you feel, that you are sure about in your life, at least as sure as you can be, right? As human beings, there are things that we can still rely on, we can count on, that we feel strong, we feel sure, we feel that there is a positive energy or positive, outcome from stuff. Very important that you focus on things that you feel that you can execute well, that you can master well. It can be a behavior, it can be an exercise, or it can be something that you feel accountable about, that you hold yourself accountable about. And that you feel you have a good feeling about it, you have good sensations. This because we do need to build dopamine and serotonin. We do need to build oxytocin, which is all good hormones, all good chemistry in the body, to convey or at least to balance the other side, which is full of cortisol, adrenaline, and noradrenaline, and toxicity. So it's important that we build a space of, with things that we feel strong, we feel that we can master, we feel that we can rely on self, or even connections that we have in our lives that are strong enough that we feel good about. So, in other words, when you have something negative happening, think about something positive, or do something positive. Feel positive about something in your life. There are things that we can feel positive in our lives 24/7. We just need to look around. We just need to look within, and confirm that they are there. Confirm that we can build at least the intention towards seeing and noticing stuff. A lot of times we don't notice things because we just don't put the attention on it. But start to putting attention on these things, and they will help long term to build this human effectiveness that we do need to have, the sense of control that we need to have to build a balanced life. But in things that we actually can feel comfortable, we can feel sure, and we can feel strong about, right, in our lives. It can be even ourselves, being satisfied with who you are, the human being that you are, and satisfied that you can breathe, be, having a more thankful, appreciative approach about your health, about you as a person, and what you can see, what you can hear, all the five senses that you can easily stimulate, and that you can ground your body and appreciate only these functions, which is a big, huge thing in our lives, right? The simple things are the most essential things in life, and see, if we can appreciate them, we are able to live a happy, joyful life, okay? So I will talk to you soon. I hope you understood the message here. If not, rewatch it until you understand. And I will talk to you soon. Kisses. Have a great day. Bye.